Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Nissan X-Trail ST, stock reference number 4005. This shape runs from the 9th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the red right-hand headlight, factory nudge bar with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual transmission type, console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.